All right, we're gonna change our battery out here real quick. Simple task to do. With that being said, take your remote. On the side, you'll have the little silver button. That's your emergency key release. You're going to need to push that down and at the same time, pull the emergency blade. So let's do that real quick. Set the emergency blade off to the side. Now, I use a small flat tip screwdriver. You don't have to. You could use the tip of your blade, but I don't want to scratch this. This is a new remote. With that being said, let's see if we can get you a better shot. You see there's an indentation here and here. Your emergency blade goes in here. You want to turn around, put a little bit of pressure, and it will pop down. And as you can see, our battery's sitting there. This is a CR2032. Popped out. Let's put a battery back in. Take your new one. Come in from the side. And when you do, it's going to have to come in and push down this way because you got a little tang there. Notice that's at an angle. Push down. There you go. Put the two halves back together. Make sure they're lined up. As you see, it has a little drop in. So we're going to drop that in. And put your blade back in. There you go. You just changed your battery. Hey, thanks again. Give me a thumbs up, comment, whatnot. Let's stay safe out there.